Hi guys, long time no see. I just thought I'd make a little video here to kind of touch base with all of you. Sometimes it's nice just to hear it directly from me, right? Instead of just having to read an email or a text, because I know some of you don't read everything. But anyway, moving forward, I just want to kind of touch base with you about this next month. The previous 3 weeks, you had the packet that was sent home to you. The packet is due no later than this Sunday by 11:59 p.m. You need to send me text message, send me through Remind, email if you'd want. But I need every single page of that done, completed, and sent to me. So many of you have not yet done that. Make sure, let's make that a priority. Let's get that done, okay? No later than Sunday, 11:59 p.m. All right, moving forward, kind of what we're looking at. The supervisors at Penna have asked us to create office hours so you know exactly when you can reach us. For me, my official office hours are from 9 to 3, meaning that's when I'm going to be sitting behind my computer, either making video lessons for you guys or just checking email, doing all that kind of stuff, grading, all that good stuff a teacher does. So from 9 to 3, if you message me, I will message you probably back almost immediately. Okay. After 3, let's be honest, I have my technology and things with me most of the time. I will probably still get back to you if it's after that. It just may take me a little bit longer, okay? Keep in mind, I do have 3 kids of my own, so I'm always helping them with their schoolwork and being a mom as well, okay? I know I've had some of you message me at like 11:30 at night. Sometimes I'll still respond, sometimes I don't. But if it's after 3, you may have to wait a little bit longer, okay? So that's office hours. I'm also going to set up a Google Meet for our class together so we can kind of talk to each other. If you have questions, I can go over things with you. So moving forward, your class time will be on Wednesdays and Fridays at 1 o'clock. Okay, so Wednesday and Friday, I will send out an invite. I will post it in Classroom as well. So a Google Meet Wednesdays and Fridays at 1 o'clock. That'll be our time. It is optional. I just want to set up a time that if you have questions as you're working through the material moving forward, that you have a chance that you and we can talk to each other, okay? And I can kind of go over stuff, and it's a little easier than just texting back and forth, okay? So that'll be moving forward. Also, any mass correspondence, so sending out messages, I'm no longer going to keep doing them individually to people because if we have to talk individually, we can, but some of you were like, can you send this email or this message or whatever? I can't keep doing that, you guys, you're killing me. So Remind is what our go-to is. So I will send everything through Remind. I know a couple of you have some issues with Remind. I will also send everything through an email. So anything I want to send, mass reminders, announcements, anything, I'll send it through Remind, and I'll also send it in an email. And the email will be sent to your school Gmail account. Okay, so you all have that. You have access to it. You need to check it. Okay, some of you have not looked at that since we left school. Make sure you're checking that every day for anything that you might need. Okay, I've already sent a lot of stuff to that, and some of you still never respond to me. Okay, I'm spending 10, 12 hours a day trying to get a hold of students, and I can't keep doing that, okay? I need to be a mom as well. So if I ask you guys to respond to me, I need you to do that as soon as you can, okay? All right, so what's going on for the next month? How are you learning? So I know some people are moving to Khan Academy. Some of them are doing IXLs. Not my style. Okay. So moving forward with you guys, I'm going to start posting in Google Classroom. I will post 1 week at a time. So how this is going to work, I'm going to post it. I will probably get it posted for you tomorrow. I'll get it set up early, but 1 week at a time. So meaning like a Monday through Sunday. So I will post typically probably between 3 to 4 videos per week. Videos will probably be around 30 minutes, give or take, depending what the lesson is for that day. But it's going to be me teaching. I'm actually re-recording all of the videos. I worked on a couple of them just today. But I'm going to get those posted. There'll be links to YouTube, just like they usually are on Google Classroom. But also posted with those. You're going to have many things. This is where it's a little different than we've done in the past. So the expectation is that you will watch the video. After you watch the video, there's going to be a homework assignment. I am also going to post the homework assignment where I have written in and completed every problem and shown you every step of my work. So homework, not a grade, all right? The homework is there and all of the answers for you to practice. And if you're not sure how to do something, hopefully you can follow through my work and figure out how to do it, okay? Rewatch the video if you need to as well. All right. Also, I'm probably going to post on there for some things, probably not everything, but I may tell you what IXLs you could do. Could, don't have to. IXL is not for a grade moving forward, so don't panic. But sometimes we just need a never-ending list of examples to practice, and that's a great resource for that. Another option, I may post some different activities, like the murder mystery things we've done in class, like color by number stuff. If it's something I have that I think maybe might help you just to get a little more practice, I may throw that on there as well. But again, none of that is for a grade. So how are you getting grades moving forward? What we're going to be doing is with every video that I post, you will also have to complete a quiz. If you've never done quizzes, it's all online. I will post the link directly on there. You will sign into it with your Google account from school. That way I have access. I know that it's you. So every video, you'll watch the video, do the homework, practice it, make sure you know how to do it. Then you will click on the link for the quizzes and you will take the quizzes. If you get below an 80%, you have to take it again. All right, you can take each quizzes as many times as you want. If you want to keep taking it till you get them all right, you can. That's fine. You have to keep taking them if you don't have an 80%. Okay, so that is the bare bones minimum is 80%. Each quizzes for each video is probably like 4 to 10 questions, not a whole lot, just kind of, do you understand it? Can you prove to me that you know how to do this? Okay. So you will have 3 to 4 videos per week, a quizzes for each one of those. And then you will also have the final weekly quizzes, which will be a little bit bigger. And the final one for the week will cover everything we've done that week. And keeping it a little vague, it could include anything we've done this year. Now, don't panic. The reason I say that is because chapter 4, you had to know how to do the quadratic formula. You had to know how to factor. That kind of stuff comes back up again. So anything we've learned is going to be fair game, just so you know, okay? But it's going to mainly focus on what we worked on that week in the videos and the other smaller quizzes that you took. All right, so already got that. So everything for the week, I will post it 1 week at a time. So in a big chunk on Classroom, so you know exactly every thing that you're supposed to do for that week. You can work at your own pace. You can get them all done in one day. You can spread it out. Doesn't matter to me. But everything has to be done for the week by that following Sunday at 11:59. All right, and I'll have all those dates posted when I post it on Classroom. So you'll know what the week is and when the final due date is for that week. It's always the Sunday of that week at 11:59 p.m. At that time, quizzes will shut down and you will not be able to take them any longer. So we have to make sure we're learning to set deadlines for ourselves, okay? As always, if you have questions, please reach out. Let me know. I'm here to help you guys. If you need extra help, join into those video chats on Wednesdays and Fridays at 1. And I'll get those posted so that you have those links also in Classroom. If you guys need anything, just want to chat, want to talk, have math questions, need help getting something, I don't know, whatever it is, just reach out, okay? I'm here for you guys. All right. I need proof that we all watch this video. So, you know me, can't be normal. So if you watch this video all the way to the end, I need you to send me a text through Remind. And in that text, I need you to tell me purple penguin. All right. That's what the text says. That's it. Purple penguin. All right. That way I know that you watch this video. You know you're doing your weekly assignments. Every quiz is for every video. A final quiz is at the end of the week. Have to get an 80% on all of those. You can take them as many times as needed to get that score. And you know that nothing else needs turned in. Do not ask me if you need to turn in your homework. I gave you every answer to check them, okay? That's there for you to practice. So only thing that you're getting grades on is quizzes. So make sure you get those done on time because they will shut off by midnight then on that Sunday night / Monday morning, right? So make sure they're in by 11:59. All right, reach out if you need anything, guys. Send me that text, purple penguin, okay? All right, we'll talk to you guys soon.